you a leader or manager who wants to motivate your team and energize your workplace? My name's Farhan Azraoui. I'm a yoga teacher with over 15 years of experience and an expert in conflict resolution and nonviolent communication. In my staff wellness retreats, I integrate yogic tools for stress management in addition to communication and conflict skills. What I've noticed is that a retreat setting is a positive interruption that allows us to let go of the habitual ways that we do things, to relax and let go of accumulated stresses in our lives, and to be able to think more creatively, to work more productively, and to communicate more skillfully.